Hey guys, I'm here at a absolutely stunningly beautiful, the most Grand Canyon I've ever seen. Actually, I didn't actually see the one on the mainland, but anyway, this is in Kauai, Hawaii, and I just wanted to show you how beautiful it is, and you should really come down here and check it out. Anyway, let's look at it together.
Everywhere else in the country, we use that as that manual.
And if you can see, I'm trying to zoom in here. Oh, nope, not gonna get it. Let's see, let's try again. Ah, there we go. There's a waterfall. Can you see that? Absolutely incredible. All right. Terrible camera skills here.
Let me take a panorama.
So where does it go now? We go this way or up around this way?
Right there.
Okay. I wonder where that goes. I guess it's on the tilt up. I'm gonna look up on this here. I'll look down to see where it's going. Oh, this one back here, Bloom. There's two of them back here. Look. What a find. Look. And that goes just on the dark side. Don't let me get into your vlogging or whatever.
Look, and the small ones are really pretty too. My favorite is this one.
We'll just put some music to it.
Or I like this one. No, you gotta leave it for everyone else to see. I love the rain.
All right, so let's see if we can get a better view. Don't know.
That one? I thought we go down now.
I am terrified of heights, so walking even down this one little path is not for me. Alright, so now there's different paths to get here, and it's pretty easy for most, I would think. Let's see, I don't think I'd go that way. There seems to be a path going this way. I'm not going to go that way either because there's a lot of bugs.
Read some of those little signs.
Yeah, I guess I should read.
And then
As you can see, it's not the easiest. There we go.
Kind of slick on this rock.
Yeah, good thing it hadn't rained last week, really.
Where's our hiking sticks? In the car?
No, they're not in the car.
Who's in the car? Got everything in the car, right?
This tree is one of the most prevalent trees in Hawaiian forests. The scientific name is polymorpha, meaning many forms. is certainly appropriate. The plant takes on many forms, from tall trees to low shrubs. The flowers, lehua blossoms, contain feathery puffs of scarlet that nearly cover the tree when in bloom. Loaded with nectar, the blossoms attract native forest birds such as apapane and ivy. The hard wood was used by Hawaiians to spear tools and images. Let's see. I'm not very good at this. I am trying though. I need to get better at this. There we go. Oh, there's a lady that won't shut up. Oh God, let's see. There we go. I'm just messing this up. Okay. What's down here? Oh wow, that's a big dragonfly. Wow. Huge. I bet this is beautiful at sunrise or sunset, one or the other.
Love this video. Yeah.
Can you stick your right foot down, like you're climbing up? But like, more so I can see, yeah, like that. But maybe, I can't see the label on the back of the phone.
Okay. Lifespan of an Iliau is 200 years?
Until it blooms into the immense flowering stalk.
From May to July. A spectacular display. Sorry.
Oh, you're fine. Wow, that was gorgeous. Anyway, well, I hope you guys got something out of it. Oh, by the way, there is parking. Let me just show you real quick. There's parking right over here, so it's pretty easy and accessible for most people. And yeah, you just kind of walk down there or whatever and see that beautiful Grand Canyon-ish. I guess it's like, you know, the Hawaii's Grand Canyon. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. Bye.